Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful real estate e-commerce template, fully responsive and totally free. So first, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video to the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. So let's see the beautiful real estate template. Let me show you the homepage first, the homepage demo first. See, guys, also I will share the course snippet link as well. So here the demo, the main logo, menu. See guys, login form and register form pop up as well. Submit property button, and here is the main attraction, the top section, the advanced search. See guys, recommended for you. Feature property. See guys, apartment, villa, studio, house, office, and we all pop up as well. In future, you can add your properties as well via submit property and see the whole effect. See guys, other pages will come very soon as well. Our location for you. See guys, with Carazol. Our services, what we do, buy new home, rent home, and sell home as well. Stat for clients, awards, successful transactions, and monthly traffic as well. Why choose your business company name as well? Top best property value. See guys, what people say is the testimonial section. See friends, our agent section as well, the property agents, the latest blog section, the clients, and the footer as well. Scroll to top, and let me show you its responsiveness. So friends, like I said, it's fully responsive, so no need to worry about responsiveness. Toggle nav, YC, fully responsive, will work for all the devices. So guys, if you will have any kind of query, session requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog, therichpost.com. Here is contact us page. In this page, you will get my email ID, my WhatsApp number, and my Upwork ID as well. And guys, also a full-time freelancer, you can hire me as well. Is free admin dashboard, thousands of dashboards. You get multiple stuff, Angular, React.js, Vue, Laravel, WordPress, and Bootstrap 5 as well. And guys, back to real estate template page. So guys, like I said, I will share the course snippet link inside this video description. Friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.